Hi, welcome back. Now we're still talking about content creation and strategy, and we've seen what it entails, and I've also walked us through how to use Canva to create basic designs. But now we want to look into how we can create videos and what are the tools we can use to create video content that we have here and there on the internet. So it is very simple and easy, just like the way we can create basic designs and every other designs that we want and give it a very stunning look and make it look professional. The same way we can create video content too, and you don't have to be a professional or have all the technical skills. There are tools these days that will allow you to just simply do drag and drop. So the basic things you're just doing is dragging and dropping, and there are tools that will allow you have access to all the thousands of platform templates that they have. So you just edit and modify. You can bring in your own content. You can add your music. You can do all the editing that you want, and easy peasy. You have your content and you're good to go. So it's a basic skill you should have as a digital marketer that will help you in the course of your career, other than going to go and pay so much to go and hire someone who is a video editor or a video person that is going to charge you so much. These are things you can do by yourself, and there are so many tools on the internet today that can afford you that. So one of those tools that we're going to be using today, or we're going to be exploring, is called CapCuts. So CapCuts is available both on mobile and on desktop computer, but we're going to be using the one that I have on my computer right here, and it's just the same way it works on the computer. That's the same way it works on the mobile phone, other than the computer allows you access to a wider screen. That's basically just the difference between CapCuts on your mobile phone and CapCuts on your computer. So if you open your CapCuts app, of course, you can see the project that I've worked on in the past. Here is what they look like. But if I want to create a new project, just simply click on this and it opens up the dashboard for me, or the interface for me to actually start editing my videos. Okay. So why is this one not opening? Let's wait and see. Okay, hold on. Open CapCuts. Interface is being loaded. It's been loaded. So this is what CapCut interface looks like on the desktop. Some of us must have seen how it looks like on a mobile device, and must have used it quite some time. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. This part right here is where I drag and drop all the tools, all the videos, images and audios I want to use for this project that I'm working on. And this is where I can actually preview all of the videos that I'm working on. Here is the timeline, and this is where you can also do some modification and drag and put elements. And right here at the top you can import. You can check their presets, you can put in some stock materials that you have. Right here you can use the audio that are available on the platform. The audios that are available on the platform, that are available on the platform, the copyright one, the sound effects. If you want to extract an audio, it is possible. If you want to use any TikTok sound, you can also use it directly from here, but you will need to sign in with your TikTok account. So music is what you have right here. You have stickers that you can use for anything that you want to use it for. As you can see right here, so many several hundreds of stickers are right here that you can actually use, and you can also search for the one of your choice and you can find them right here. Right here are the effects that you can apply to your video content. The effects that you can apply on any video content to give it that stunning effect, to give it that cinematic feel, or anything that you're trying to achieve. So effects are, there's thousands of effects right here that you can actually explore, or you can actually explore for your video. Then right here we have transition. So if you have different clips, so this one is simply for different clips. If you have different clips that you want to move from one to another, then that smooth movement from one to the other is with a transition effect is what this one is for. So if you want to apply any transition effect on any video and give it that stunning look or design, you can apply any of this transition that are here. So right here also we have caption. Caption is when you want to add text to your video. Maybe there's a video of someone talking and you want people to see the what the person is saying. You want us to see what the person is saying, and you want us to read what the person is saying while the person is still talking. And there's also auto caption. Auto caption helps you automatically detect what is being said and just translate it for you and just write it out for you. Then you can do the minimal editing here and there, and easy peasy, your video is good to go. So another tool that we have right here are filters. Filters are just to add more vibe, more sensation to the video that you're working on. If you want to give it a cold feel, if you want to give it a vibrant feel, if you want to give it something that is natural, so you can explore all of these filters that are here. And if you want to go further to edit or to add some adjustments to your edits, to your video basically, you can just do that from here, right? Maybe you want to adjust the brightness, the contrast, the opacity, and every other thing that you want to do. You can do that basically from here. So to start editing or to start working on a project, you go to import right here. Then you can click on import here. Then it takes you to your devices file explorer. So you can select anything that you want to use for your video project. So for example, now let's quickly do a video content. So if I just come, let me use this content that are here. So this is digital marketing content, or let's say, okay, let's use this one that belongs to generative AI. So if I select all the content, all the design that I want to use, I can just click on open right here, and they are all going to be imported into the CapCuts app, as you can see right on my screen. So then if I want them to appear, then I will just simply drag each of them and put them on the on this timeline area. Then once I do that, I have it here. So I have several images right here that I'm using for my design. Several images right here that I want to use for my design. So I just pick them one after the other, then drop them on this timeline right here. Drop it on the timeline, pick another one, drop it on the timeline, pick another one, drop it on the timeline, pick another one, and another one. So now that I've arranged this video, this is once I click on play right here, so as you can see, I can preview my video right here on this part of the screen. So if I click on play right here, it's going to show you the transition from one image to the other, as you can see on my screen right here. So I can also reduce the time for each and every one of the pictures. Maybe if this one is taking too long and I want it to quickly transition into this next one, I could just simply come here, click on this, come to this part of this design, then click on my mouse, then drag till I'm okay with what I have on my screen. So I can do that also for the second one. I can do that for every one of the videos that we have right here till I'm satisfied. So if I click on play right now, you can see it takes shorter time to transition into another one. So like I said earlier, if I want to add more effect to the transition, and I don't just want it to keep moving like that, then I can come to my transition part here on my screen, then pick any effect right here, then drag and drop it in between the the content, right? So once so just pay attention to the effect that has been applied. Can you see how that one just transitioned into another? If I decide to pick another transition effect and add here, pick another one and drop here. So if I click on play, you can see the effect of how it moves into another. Let me add different effects right here again. Let's see another one. Then this is another one. Okay, so now if I come here and I play, you'll see the different effects that has been applied, and you'll see how they are displaying. Can you see what we have on our screen? Yeah, so if I decide I want to add a song, maybe let's add an audio to this, right? I'll just come to my audio right here, pick let's say this one, for example. This one is just for example, right? So let's pick this one, and it is downloading. Once it is done, then I can drag and drop on my timeline right here. And you can notice that if you notice that the song has longer duration than the video content that we have itself. So this software can allow you to split the content so that you can stop right where your video ends, right? So this tool right here is for splitting. If you click on this, it's going to split the audio song into two, and I can remove the part I don't need, then delete it. Then I can pick this one and elongate it to where my video ends. So I can also do this. I can reduce the volume of the audio. I can either increase or reduce it depending on what I choose to. So you just come and click on this arrow right here, put your mouse on this arrow on this line right here, and once you drag it up, the volume goes up, or once you bring it down, the volume goes down. And you can also do that right here at this right corner of the screen, where you can click on once you click on your audio, it allows you to increase the volume, to do fade in, fade out. Of course, you know what fade in and fade out is. If you want to also normalize the loudness, you can do that all from this section of the screen. So this one that I don't need, I can simply just delete it. Then once I preview my video, then you can hear the sound in the background that is playing, right, while my video is working. And also, if I actually want to do a voiceover and insert it into this, I can simply come to I can simply record that and import it into this project that we're working on. Yeah. So another thing that we can do here is effect. Like I spoke of the other time, you could just pick one, drop it here, and see how it looks like once your video is playing. So yeah, look at what that effect is. Oh, it's no okay. I think I did not place it right. Dying to do this. Oh yeah. So okay. I don't know why that does not apply. Yeah, you can see that effect, right? So just take your time to explore and check out every features that is available right here. So it is simple to use. All you just need to do is drag and drop, and once you're done editing, you've previewed and you see that your content is good and it's okay, then you can simply just export it. You can export it in different formats. You can export it in different formats to suit the platform where the video is going. If it's going on TikTok, if it's going on Instagram or any other place, you can determine the resolution from here. So you can determine the resolution from here, And also, if you want to change the aspect ratio, you can actually do that from here also, where you can do maybe landscape, or you want to do portrait, or you want to do it in square, or any other aspect ratio that you want. So that's basically all you need to know about um, video editing, right? And this is what you can do all by yourself, and you don't require any professional help. So I hope you've learned something in the course of this video. See you in the next one.